What to ask solar installers during a site visit. Before you can get solar panels on your property, your installer will need to perform a site evaluation to confirm their measurements, inspect your electrical system, and finalize your system design to make sure they're providing you with the most accurate quote possible. This site visit also gives you a great opportunity to ask your installer several questions in person. First, ask them about their company and its experience. You want to do business with a reputable, experienced installer. If you're working with an EnergySage Approved installer, there's no need to spend time worrying about this. We've already pre-screened our installer network to ensure you're only getting quotes from top-notch companies with a proven track record. With other installers, consider asking about how many years they've been in business, how many installations they've done in your area, if they have proper licensing and certifications, and if they have nearby references you can speak to. You can get a head start on gathering this information by viewing the installer's profile on EnergySage before they arrive. Second, ask the installer about what's included in their workmanship warranty and how long it lasts. Solar panel systems require very little maintenance, but you should still be familiar with the installer's warranty and if it also covers roof and electrical work. Lastly, remember to ask the installer about their estimated time frame for installation. The amount of time it will take to get your system up and running depends on a number of factors, such as permitting, utility interconnection, and availability of installation crews. Make sure you get a good estimate of when your property will finally be solar powered before signing the dotted line. EnergySage. Smarter energy decisions.